Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to convert Do Not Affect Stock Bills into Affect Stock Bills. To begin, navigate to the Billing menu from the main menu and open the Convert Do Not Affect Stock Bills to Affect Stock window. Select the bills you want to transfer. You can search and select multiple bills and update their stock effect at once. After selecting the bills, click on Start Conversion. The stock effect has now been updated, and these bills will no longer appear in the search list. To verify, open the respective sales bill window and check the stock effect. You can also update the same from Billing window. Open the bill in Modify mode. Go to Configuration and simply untick the Do Not Affect Stock option to enable stock effect.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.